Welcome. In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 11 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on it. After you wake up the screen, press the Chrome button to open the menu, then find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called Sounds and Vibration or Sounds and Haptics. Sounds and Haptics. Tap on it, and here we have this option, Automatically Adjust Volume, and this option will be enabled by default, and if you don't want to disable it, you can change the level. And if you tap on level, you have louder, default, and quieter. So basically, the watch will adjust the volume according to your preferences, but it will do it automatically. So it will keep it louder, default, or quieter. So select the option you like, or you can disable the automatically adjusted volume and then adjust it manually to your liking. And it will stay at the level you like, because automatically it will probably raise it, lower it, and do it continuously to adjust the volume. Okay, and once you're done, of course, you can press the Chrome button to go back to watch face, and that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.